The rear entry RV model has always been popular with many RV enthusiasts because this layout creates a super large living room, making RV travel life very relaxed and comfortable. This RV is from a Yangzhou side factory built on the Dabaitian 1VQ chassis. Above the cab is a second-floor bed with a smart TV. To the left is a 4-person dinette and to the right is a horizontal sofa. Lifting up the sofa creates a bed, so this RV has 3 beds. The air conditioner above is equipped with 12 kilowatt-hours of electricity and the roof has an 800-watt solar panel, which is more than enough. The water tank has 250 liters of fresh water and 70 liters of grey water. There is a kitchen, a washing machine, 2 refrigerators and an extension here. The extended table provides ample space for cooking. There's a wardrobe here and a rear-mounted toilet. You can see the high-quality workmanship here. The entire toilet is made of a special type of waterproof, mildew-proof and moisture-proof plastic. It has a rear-mounted pull-out toilet and all other necessary features. The space is quite spacious, with independent fuel-powered heaters and water heaters. Outdoors, there's an outdoor awning, an outdoor stove, and a small table. The entire vehicle is original, with 0 accidents and 0 incidents. If you like this vehicle, comment below. Remember to like and follow.